Welcome to Leaf Hydroponic Farm. You will be happy to know that during the year 2025, we have already conducted very successful training programs in the month of January, February and March. Now our next training program is going to be held on 12th and 13th April 2025 at our farm. Whatever we will teach you in the classroom will be shown to you also on the farm. If you are keen on joining this program, then please register yourself as per the procedure given in the description below. For your information, we want to tell you in our last 3 programs, there were doctor couples, MBBS, MS and MD, those who have joined and participated in the training programs. Many people came from Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana and Delhi. Once again, we want to inform you that our next training workshop on farm will be held on 12th and 13th April. If you are keen on joining, please register yourself as per the procedure given in the description. If once you register yourself, then we will send you all the details about the training program, the detailed program of the training, where to stay, how to reach our farm. All these things will be shared to you with you once you register yourself. If you feel that our channel is beneficial to the people, those who want to start a hydroponic farm or those who are there running their hydroponic farm, then please don't forget to like our channel. Don't forget to share this channel with, or the link of this channel with your friends and relatives and the farmers all over the world. And if you feel, then do subscribe to our channel so that whenever we put a new video on our channel, the notification reaches you. Once again, next training program 12th and 13th April 2025 at our farm on Chandigarh Ambala Road. So you are welcome to register yourself. Thank you very much.